Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on things to avoid when traveling to Pu Luong, Vietnam. Pu Luong is a mesmerizing nature reserve nestled in the northern part of Vietnam. While it promises an unforgettable experience, there are a few mistakes you should steer clear of to ensure your journey is smooth and enjoyable. First up, don't assume that everyone speaks English. While English is gaining popularity in Vietnam, it might not be widely spoken in Pu Luong. To bridge the gap, consider downloading a translation app or carrying a phrasebook to help you communicate effectively. Next, relying solely on Google Maps can be a pitfall. The roads here can be intricate, and Google Maps might not always be accurate. Multiple routes can lead to the same destination. Do your homework before your journey and don't hesitate to seek advice from locals for the best routes. Safety should never take a back seat. The roads in Pu Luong, especially for motorbikes, can pose risks. Remember to always drive on the right side of the road and wear a helmet. Crossing the road requires extra caution, as animals can unexpectedly roam free. Lastly, when it comes to bargaining, strike a balance. Bargaining is customary in Vietnam, but it's vital to maintain respect. Over-haggling can make the locals uncomfortable. Keep in mind that your purchases often support local families, contributing to their livelihoods. I hope these tips will equip you with the knowledge to avoid common pitfalls during your Pu Luong adventure. Remember, your journey is a chance to appreciate the beauty and culture of this incredible destination. Have an amazing time exploring Pu Luong. Please like, share, and subscribe for more travel insights and exciting adventures.